Hello everybody. Today we will look at a very nice and interesting number theory problem. And the problem says find the last two digits of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to the power 41. Alright, so before we start, we will rush through some of the hints. The first hint is that we are asked to find the last two digits. So we will just do mod 100 and the remainder it gives will be the last two digits. So we just basically need to do 5, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9 to the power 41 mod 100. The second hint says that this first three digit has no function here, only this last two digit has a function. So it will be equal to or congruent to 89 to the power 41 mod 100. Now what I will use is I will use the Euler's torsion theorem, and it says a to the power psi of p is congruent to 1 mod p if and only if a and p has GCD 1. Now notice 89 and 100 has GCD 1. Given that 89 to the power psi of 100 is congruent to 1 mod 100. So we need to find the psi of 100. Now if you don't know what the value of psi is, let me tell you, psi of any number represents to all the relatively prime numbers which are less than the particular number. So for example, I take the number 3. It has 1 and 2 below it, and these are relatively prime to it because the GCD is 1. Consider 4. The relatively prime numbers are 1, 3, right, because the GCD is 1. So for this, now see, 100 is a very huge term, we just simply cannot count that. So we have a formula, psi of n is equal to n times 1 minus 1 by p1 times 1 minus 1 by p2 dot 1 minus 1 by pn if n can be written as p1 to the power k1, p2 to the power k2 dot pn to the power kn, where p1, p2 these are all primes. So psi of 100 is 100 times. Now notice the first prime which is in 100 is 2 and the second prime is 5, and other than that nothing is there because 100 is 2 squared times 5 squared. So this is our psi 100. So it is what, 100 times 1 minus half is half and 1 minus 1 by 5 is 4 by 5. So this cuts out, 2, and this is 20, so this is 40. So I can say 89 to the power psi 100, which is 40, is congruent to 1 mod 100. Now what we need to find, 89 to the power 41. Given that 89 to the power 41 is simply what, 89 to the power 40 times 89, which is equal to 89 mod 100, and that's the solution. So the final solution to our question is, well, I am using a green pen, as you can see, 89. So the last two digit of this such a huge number is 89. Thanks a lot for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.